All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing the next thing on the GMC Canyon here. We're going to be doing these Westin step bars, and I forget what part number it is, but I'll link it down in the description and you guys can take a look at them. So just quick unboxing here. I'll show you what we got going on. Got two steps right there, and then we got our hardware in the middle. I'm not sure about these yet, but a lot of times you want to keep these separate. You see how these bags are different colors. One will be the left side, one will be the right side, and that's why they do that, so you can identify it. But I'll just show you this part right here. Got a nice little instruction book, guide there, nice sticker from Westin. These are pretty good for the price range right now. Pretty good deal. So we'll get this all unboxed, get out of here, get set up on the rack, and then maybe once I get all the parts out, I'll show you guys underneath, and then get that all put on and show you guys what it looks like when we're all done. I'm not going to do a whole walkthrough tutorial here. I think there's a lot of other videos. They're pretty much the same truck to truck nowadays with these rocker mount ones. But we'll get them on there and we'll get them back. All right, so we got everything laid out, unboxed here on both sides, and I just thought I'd show you this real quick before we throw them on. Give you a little pro tip, and that is, you can see on both sides, I got the box that it came in cut in half, and I got my bars and all my brackets and hardware sitting on them, and that's just so nothing gets scratched while I'm working on it. And I know a lot of you may not have a lift, but if you're working on the ground, then that's even more important. So I just thought I'd show you that to you. We got everything laid out, lined up for both sides, ready to go on. And just a little pro tip for you, no charge included with the cost of admission. So I'll get them back to you once we get these up here and show you what we got. All right, so just a quick view. We're almost done here. We got everything installed on both sides now. I just have to tighten it up, and that's how these work. You just leave everything loose, and then you go in and you tighten up all the hardware. And it says level it out and stuff. I don't really get to do that as much as they say it does. You kind of just tighten up all these slotted bolts, and wherever they go, that's kind of where it is. And they usually look pretty good. You don't usually have to do a whole lot. So just kind of giving you a quick show how that looks under there. We'll get everything tightened up, lower it down, show you guys what they look like from the outside, and then give you some final thoughts here. All right, so one last time, I'm gonna show you these step bars are all done on this 26 Canyon. Nice Westin, and these are the Pro Tracks 4-inch, and they look good on there, they really do. I like them, they seem pretty nice. They really, if you come back, they look like the factory ones, and it's like a fraction of the price of the factory ones. So they bolt on good, install was easy. Brackets are all symmetrical on both sides. The only downside, I'd say a little bit, is they have just a little bit of movement when you step on them. But not bad, really not bad. I like them a lot. They really look sharp on this truck. Like I said, if you didn't have the brand name on there, you would just assume that those are original, and most people probably would. So now we got the window guards, and we got the step bars, and we're looking good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment with any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.